In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move emails from inbox to specific folders in Outlook. Keeping your inbox organized saves time and helps you focus on what matters. And Outlook gives you a few simple ways to do it, both manually and automatically. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app. Once you see your inbox and the folder pane on the left, you can move emails manually with a quick drag and drop. Click to select an email. If you want to move more than one at a time, hold Ctrl to pick individual messages or Shift to select a range. Now click and drag your selection to the folder you want in the left pane. When the folder name highlights, release the mouse. That's it. If the folder pane is collapsed, hover over the edge or click the arrow to expand it so you can see your folders. If you prefer not to drag, use the Move button. Select the email or emails. Go to the Home tab and in the Move group, click Move. Choose the folder you want from the list. You can also get there by right-clicking the email, choosing Move, and then selecting to folder. This is handy when you are already working through messages and want a quick menu option without dragging. Manual moves are great for one-offs. But if the same types of messages keep landing in your inbox, automate it with a rule so Outlook does the filing for you. Pick a sample email that represents what you want to automate. Then right-click it and choose Rules. Select Create Rule or use the Always Move Messages from option for a fast setup based on the sender. In the Create Rule window, choose your condition, such as messages from this sender or those with specific words in the subject. Next, set the action to move the item to folder. Click to choose your destination folder. You can create a new folder here if you need one. Then click OK and Finish. Outlook will often offer to run this rule on existing messages in your inbox right away. Except that if you want to clean things up immediately, otherwise, the rule will start catching future emails as they arrive. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.